This podcast is brought to you by PodPro Australia.
If you are not using Facebook groups as a lead generation tool, then you are missing out. In this episode, I share with you 3 ways to use them. Social media, Google, email marketing, systems, website traffic, and the endless content creation that comes with marketing. It's overwhelming, right? Say goodbye to endless stress and hello to clarity with the Meaningful Marketing Podcast. In this podcast, I will share with you fast and free practical methods to help you manage, monetize, and market your business, all infused with a healthy dose of motivation. Let's do this. Hey, this is Chantal Gerardy from the Meaningful Marketing Podcast. And in today's episode, I'm going to share with you 3 ways to use Facebook groups as a lead generation tool. So many business owners come to me and say, I have got a Facebook group. It has this many members in it. However, they are not engaged. It's not making any money and I'm not getting any clients from it. And it's taking me forever to manage this Facebook group. So in today's episode, I'm going to share with you 3 strategies that you can use to use Facebook groups as a lead generation tool. At the end of the day, if you do not put the time in your diary to go and fulfill these strategies, it's not going to work. So Facebook groups are a powerful tool for business owners and marketing managers to connect with their target audience, build credibility, and generate leads and sales. With over 1.8 billion monthly active users in Facebook groups as of 2021, the platform provides a great opportunity for businesses to engage with potential clients. So today I'm going to share with you 3 methods in order for you to leverage Facebook groups effectively. At the end of the day, you can work out which one is going to better suit your business, your industry, and the outcome that you're looking for, because some of these may or may not apply to your business. So firstly, you can find groups to join that already have your target audience. You can join Facebook groups where your target audience is already in, and you can connect directly with those potential customers, understand their needs, and offer their solutions. You can build trust and establish your credibility and show your expertise. These groups are run by administrators who have gone and collected your audience and put them into the groups. So it is absolutely imperative that you do your due diligence and look to see whether or not they are your customers, look to see whether or not there is any conflict of interest with the administrators, and work out how you can build a relationship with those members without being spammy. So here's some steps for you to find the relevant groups. First, identify your target audience. Make sure that you understand who your demographic is, what interests they have, what are their pain points. Number 2, you're going to search for Facebook groups in the Facebook search bar icon. You're going to use keywords that your target audience might use. For example, if you sell fitness products, you might search for groups like fitness or fitness enthusiasts or weight loss tips. Number 3, you're going to evaluate the group activity. You're going to look for groups with high engagement, and you're going to check the number of members, the frequency of posts, and the quality of the interactions. Again, making sure that you've had a look at who the administrator is and any rules that they may have on when you can post and what type of content you can post. So number 4, you're going to join the group. Send a request to join the group and ensure you follow the group rules. I like to add these onto a spreadsheet as well, and I also take note on my spreadsheet what days I'm allowed to post. So tips for engagement. When you join a group, this is a good opportunity for you to introduce yourself. Once you're accepted in, introduce yourself and share your business. Show them how you can help contribute towards their community. Then you want to participate regularly. You want to engage in discussions, answer questions, and provide valuable insights. You want to post helpful articles, videos, and infographics that are relevant to the group's interest. So for example, if Sarah is the owner of a small online bookstore and she joins several Facebook groups that are focused on book lovers and reading clubs, she can actively participate in discussions, sharing book recommendations, and occasionally highlight some of the special promotions if she's allowed to. Over time, she builds a reputation as a knowledgeable and helpful member within the group, leading to an increase in her website traffic and book sales as people stalk her. So number 2, is searching inside groups to find people that are asking for help. So why search for help requests? Many Facebook group members post questions and seek advice. By providing thoughtful and helpful responses, you can demonstrate your expertise and subtly pitch your services. Here are some steps for you to find and respond to help requests. Use the search function. Use the search bar within the group to look for specific keywords related to your business. For example, if you offer pest control, search for termite and pest control requests. If it is location dependent, be sure to check within your search area. Then you want to monitor these daily or weekly. You want to regularly check in for new posts and comments that you can contribute to. Make sure that you craft thoughtful responses. You want to provide detailed and valuable answers. You want to avoid overly promoting your business, but rather offer value and helpful information. After offering your help, you want to make sure that you go and check back to see if the person has read your message or responded, and you want to make sure that you offer further assistance. Tips for effective responses. Firstly, be genuine. Focus on genuinely helping rather than selling. Number 2, showcase your expertise. Use examples and case studies to back up your advice. Number 3, include a call to action. Suggest further conversation or invite them to check out a relevant blog post or resource on your website. So our last strategy for today is possibly the one that's going to require the most amount of work. And you may or may not decide that this is something that you're prepared to invest in order to be able to use as a lead generation tool. And that is creating your own Facebook group to attract your audience. So why create your own Facebook group? Creating your own Facebook group allows you to build a community around your brand. It allows you to engage with your audience directly and position yourself as an authority in your niche. Steps to creating and growing your group. Firstly, define the group's purpose. Choose a clear and specific purpose for your group that aligns with your business goal and audience's interests. Make sure that it has got a great title that clearly says who this is for and the intention of the group. Number 2, you want to set up the Facebook group. You want to choose a descriptive name, write a compelling description that lets them know what you expect from them and what they can expect from you. Then be sure to set up your privacy settings, understanding whether or not you want it to be private or public. Now, lead capture, and this is probably one of the most important things. On entering the Facebook group, you can make it a requirement that they give you their email address, or you can offer them a lead magnet. Also, you can use qualifying questions when they enter the group. This will help you to keep the people you want in and to send away the people that you're not after. Then you want to set up your group rules and themes to ensure that you're going to get quality engagement. Now, you constantly need to be promoting your group. You can share the group link on your website, across your social media channels, and in your email newsletter. You can invite your existing customers and followers to join and get them to invite their friends too. But here's the thing, it does require ongoing maintenance. You've got to constantly be creating content and engaging in the Facebook group to keep it going. You need to post regularly, host live sessions, Q&As, and hold discussions. You have to make sure that you're continually promoting a two-way conversation. So it's not just you talking to everyone all the time, but you are also encouraging them to give feedback and share their experiences and ask questions. So tips for managing this Facebook group will provide value, share exclusive content, tips, and offers with your group members. Be interactive, respond to comments, and foster a sense of community. Analyze the engagement. Use your group insights to understand what content resonates with your audience and adjust your strategy accordingly. So if we use Emma, a nutritionist, as an example, she created a Facebook group called Healthy Eating Tips and Recipes. She shared daily posts on nutrition advice, healthy recipes, and success stories from her clients. By fostering a supportive and informative community, Emma attracted over 5,000 members within 6 months. This group became a significant source of leads for her nutrition business. By using this Facebook group to grow her email list, she was able to use that email list to continue to build a know, like, and trust relationship with them through email marketing and her Facebook group, and then be able to offer her any other special promotions or offers that she may have. Facebook groups offer a great platform for business owners and marketing managers to increase their online visibility, establish credibility, and generate leads. And when I say generate leads, I mean when you capture their email address, sign up. By joining relevant groups, actively seeking out opportunities to help, and creating your own engaged Facebook group community, you can effectively leverage Facebook groups as a powerful marketing tool. Follow these strategies and you'll be well on your way to growing your business through Facebook groups. Just remember, you do not own those leads unless you have them on your email list. Because if Facebook was to start charging you for that Facebook group, or suddenly your account was hacked and you lost that, you would lose your active, engaged audience. If you're lacking in a fail-proof strategy to get Facebook groups to work from you, or if you have a Facebook group that is not generating leads or sales, I encourage you to look at these 3 strategies and consider which one would work best for you. If you have enjoyed today's episode, make sure that you go like, comment, and rate this episode. You can access free resources on our website, onlinebusinessmarketing.com.au. This is Chantal Gerardy from the Meaningful Marketing Podcast. Thanks for listening in. Meaningful marketing is all about you making your marketing meaningful. If you've enjoyed today's episode, please hit that subscribe button. But subscribing means that you won't miss out on future episodes all about marketing and motivation. Stay inspired, stay focused, and make your marketing meaningful.